Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Perez Nieto and today we will draw a woman's face on an iPad with the Apple Pencil using the program Procreate. And I want to thank Appeals for sponsoring this video. We begin by sketching a circle and then dividing it vertically and horizontally. These lines, as you see, are slightly tilted. We mark the end of the nose and chin. I'm doing a very simplified version of the Loomis method. If you are interested in knowing more about it for drawing faces, watch my tutorial about it. I leave you the link here and also at the end of the video. Let's draw the brows and the shape of the eyes. I will do this whole drawing with only black and white, and also with a single brush, which is the hard blend brush within the airbrushing menu. I will just be changing its size and intensity continuously. With the guidelines we sketched, we draw the features and the shape of the face, and we make any adjustments as we go. Let's erase some of the lines that we don't need anymore. Alright, and now let's refine the drawing, because it is not looking very good right now. I don't like the look of her eyes at all. Let's give them a nicer rounded shape, like so, with some eyelashes too. And the other eye. I invite you to follow me on Instagram and Twitter @ArtistLeonardo to check out what is new. Let's draw the upper part of the head and shade a little. Now, so that we can pull some lights, I want to tone the paper. Let's make it gray, like this. We refine the shape of the lips, making them also a little bit thicker and darker. And with white, we can pull some lights. When we draw with an actual pencil on paper, it is a good practice to step back to check your drawing from a distance. And also, a great trick to catch mistakes is to see your image on a mirror. When drawing digitally, we can do this very easily, making it smaller or flipping it around. Here I see that the chin is a little bit off, it should be more to the left. Now, allow me to give you a short, exciting message from our friends at Appeals. As you probably know, Appeals are removable stickers and skins, and each you can stick it, remove it, and reuse it. And right now they are giving away gifts. 20 winners will receive an Appeals gift certificate for $25. All you have to do is enter your email to win. That's it. No purchase necessary. The winners will be randomly chosen. It starts today, November 16th, and ends December 15th, 2021. Go to appeals.com now and enter to win. And by the way, also the winners of the Appeals Art and Design Contest, Our Beautiful Earth, have been published at appeals.com. Check them out. Now I want to give some color to the eyes. Let's paint them green. For this I made a new layer and then gave them some color. And emerald green, with a little white reflection. I know, at the beginning I told you that the drawing was going to be in black and white. Drawings sometimes evolve during the process. Sometimes they need to tell a story. I added the color on a new layer so I could get back to the black and white version with a couple of clicks. Now let's add shading to give it more volume. Also to the hair, which I will try to keep soft. First we make it dark and then we draw some light reflections on it. And if you made it all the way to this point, I would love to know it. Please in the comments write me the secret code. I found an emerald treasure. And it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, subscribe to Fine Art Tips if you haven't done so already. Don't forget to visit appeals.com to enter the giveaway, and I will see you with more creations on Tuesday.